if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you read?
Okay, please concentrate. Okay, so hi honeys, how are ya? Tanya ni Shylock here, and of course welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I hope you're amazing, fine, popping and all that other good stuff. It's true. Welcome back again to your favorite vlog YouTube channel here, of course, on the platform. I'm very excited for the vlog, guys. Very excited, and I think it's part now of my culture that whenever I know that I have a new vlog for you guys, my heart gets very happy. Yes, by the way, very happy on a very serious note, because I know you guys, you are going to enjoy them. I'm very above excited to also break this news to you that we are almost at 3,000 watch hours of time. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing, thank you for playing my playlists. Yes, I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. And of course with you guys, especially on Instagram, guys, if you're not following me on my Instagram, please try to follow me over there, because there I'm very active. We have been on this campaign where, of course, whenever we reach a particular milestone of watch hours, I come over there in my stories, I tell you guys, and the feedback has been so amazing. Thank you for playing my playlists. Thank you. I say upon the living God, we are making it, of course, by June. Yes, by June we have to have our 4,000 watch hours of time. But of course, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please try to make sure that you subscribe, you turn on that notification bell. Yes, you join the family. And of course, today, as you have seen, new vlog, of course, over here on the channel. I'm very excited that you guys, finally, this vlog is out. I've been waiting for this vlog, by the way, for a very long time for you guys to see. Yes, of course, as you know, by now, I think you guys, you know, nursing school, trying to vlog, trying to do a lot of things. Things are not very, you know, I'm not going to say easy, but things are, you know, okay, I'll just call it easy. It's not very easy to couple up all the things, but we move. I'm trying my best to see that I'm having for you vlogs, at least 2 vlogs every week. So you guys, almost forgot to tell you this. So I have some of my subscribers, please concentrate. Yes, I have some of my subscribers, concentrate on me, Mr. Camera. Yes, so you guys, I have some of my subscribers who flew into the country from London. Nicole, was that right English? I think so. From London. Yes, from London. Nicole and Victoria, Nikita. I'll try to leave there. I'll give more information, of course, as I do the unboxing and all that. But they flew into the country around Easter season. They came in. I happened to meet them in Lugogo. You guys, they were very nice. If you are seeing this, guys, thank you for being that nice. Thank you for being that amazing. And my heart really jumped, you know, beats when, of course, I saw all the amazing things you did bring me. I'm about to be, by the way, all of you guys, I'm about to be sharing all the things that they did bring me, makeup and all that other good stuff. And I also have some other news that I want to break to you guys especially within the vlog. So this vlog is not one you should miss, if that makes sense. But yes, I'll just give you a little bit of sneak peeks of what Nicole and Victoria, Nikita, what they did bring me from London, the makeup they did drop for me, and hopefully we shall be unboxing within the video. But this is it over here. Yes, so this is it over here, you guys. This is all the makeup. By the way, let's appreciate, the backpack. Yes, I think it's the backpack. Let's first appreciate the backpack going on over here. So they bought for me, some amazing products over here, which I'm supposed to be unboxing with you guys, hopefully later on. Yes, I also have a new eyeshadow palette, 24K gold going on over here. You guys, I'm very, very excited. Please concentrate on this. Concentrate. Yes. So over here, we also have some new eyelashes over here. Yes, glamorous eyelashes. So also have those, and they also bought for me, you guys, a lot of lip glosses over here. Just look at this, a lot of lip glosses. Like, those are 3, I think they were about 5 or 4, I'm not very certain of the number. Just hold on as I get everything out. Yes, so, and these amazing, lip glosses over here. So they are trying to move away. Okay, so these 5 lip glosses over there. So hopefully I'm going to be also talking about this in the future to come, and do the unboxing. And also I have these amazing free books over here. I'm also going to be talking about them within the vlog. And also, guys, not to mention, as I told you, I have some news to be breaking within the vlog. Very, very important. I have a new black jacket. Hey, where is my jacket here? So it's over here. So I have a new black jacket. Wow, surprise. So you guys, if you remember very well, in I think 2 vlogs ago or a vlog ago, I did a haul in this green jacket over here. Yes, I think you remember this green jacket over here. So one of you guys, that same day, I first of all got a comment from one of you, and surprise, boom, new jacket over here. I'm gonna be also giving you a gist about that, and of course, as we do the haul and unboxing in this and all that other good stuff. But before that, let's just dive into today's vlog right now.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh
you guys, yesterday, I think, or 2 days ago, I was not in position to come over here again to actually show you all the goodies over here, the makeup and all that other good stuff. So right now I want to just do a very mini haul of all the things that Nicole and Nikita got me, of course, and I'm very happy, above excited. Hopefully that there you can see me very well. So I have all the products. I think I explained yesterday, or 2 days ago. I've done the capability to do the unboxing. So all these are all the amazing goodies that they did bring me, of course, from London, and all of it's makeup. I want to just start off, of course, with this. It has a cute packaging over here. I want to find out this. I really want to find out this. And what I feel like it is, because the packaging from a distance, it shows that it's either mascara or mascara or something, mascara or what. I want to find out the other one. It might be both of them mascara. Who never knows? Who knows? English is not, This is how they look on top. Over here, I love the gold finish. Is this gold finish? I think so. The rose gold. Yes, this is rose gold. I think rose gold. I don't know how it appears actually in, of course, on camera, but in reality, it looks to be very rose gold going on. This is how they look over here. There is one which is a little bit much more smaller, and there is one which is a little bit much more bigger. Hopefully, I'll flip my lens. So. Oh, okay, this is mascara. Yes, this is mascara over here. Yes, thank you very much, Nikita and Nicole. And this is liner, by the way, and I'm very excited to see that the nozzle of the lid of the liner is this sharp. If you know, people who love liner, if you know. Thank you very much, you guys, for the amazing goodies, the mascara and the liner. The next thing, I want to show you everything when it's still in the box. Yes, so this is how the makeup looks over here in the box. I love the finish, you guys. This reminds me a lot about a chocolate. Can you see this? It looks like exactly chocolate. So let me pop this out. When you open it, this is how it looks over here. I love this very much, you guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of this, but I'm really in love with this. So when you open like this, oh wow, I love this very much, guys. Can you see this? Can you see this? I'll just bring nearer the shades. Yes, and hopefully I'll also do a reverse screen for you guys to see. But this is how it looks over here, you guys. I love this very much. Oh, and the brush has just dropped. And I also appreciate the fact that most of these colors are nude. And if you know, I love nude color, because nude is my favorite eyeshadow, because the way how it looks on me whenever I wear makeup. But thank you very much, Nicole. I appreciate the palette a lot, and I know it's going to be used concurrently, because and it has these amazing names, by the way, going on over here. I think it was this. It has names such as Bling, Lustre, Spirit Spice, Glided, Glacier, Jam, Starlight, Crown, Stone. I love this very much. Thank you very much, my sisters. I appreciate you a lot. May the Almighty bless you from the earth to the moon and back. So you guys, the next thing, there are these amazing pop on lashes going on over here. I'm also very excited, you guys, to try out these. To me, they look like they are very simple. They are not very volumed. If you know me, you also know that I don't love very volumed lashes. I love more of lashes that can give me a very natural look, or I can escape with a very natural look, if that makes sense. I'm very excited to be trying out this. Thank you very much, Nicole. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Can I open them for you guys to see? Hopefully I'll open them for you guys to see. This is how the whole pack looks over here. I love this very much. You guys, finally there are these amazing lip glosses going on over here. Yes, I'm trying to get the best angle for you guys to see. Yes, So this is how the lip glosses look over here. I'll flip the lens for you guys to see. I love this very much. So far I've been using this nude one over here, and I love the fact that they are in different, you know, colors. I'll just give you first off a flip of two. We have two of them here, and I think you can also see the difference. The difference is huge, like huge. Red, more of deep brown, but not so brown, and this is more of brown, and these ones are more of red and not more red. I love this very much. I've already started using this. As I told you, I think I've been using this. The growth is real. You guys, thank you very much for thinking about me. I'm gonna be using all the products, of course. I'm very soon resuming with makeup transformations and all that. I had taken a break about those, but thank you very much. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I want to say it again. Thank you very much. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. I met these amazing girls. Oh my god, they are very nice, sweet, down to earth, and they just made my day. I think 2 days ago, I think so. They just made my day. I loved it. Of course, I told everyone. If you know me, you know. Especially people who are around me. Whenever I get something new, I have to tell them. I have to, tell them, please appreciate for me the universe for this, for bringing in my life people who are, genuinely, in contact with my content, genuinely love my content, genuinely love my personality, genuinely, of course, appreciate what I do, because, whenever people appreciate me, I also stand in a position to be able to help out someone there, because I know that the love I've received, I have to share. So, you guys, what I had forgotten actually to talk about, yes, there are these these small notebooks going on over here. Don't tell me that mosquitoes are starting to bite right now at around 6. No, I will not believe it. But I think it was the mosquito. So there are these amazing notebooks over here. These ones were for 2020. So I think I told you at the start of the vlog that I got this for free. Yes, actually I got these for very free. And I want to also just come over here to appreciate all of you guys for the love and support, that you reach a moment in your life and you feel like, Tanya, get this, and it might help you in one way or another. So this wouldn't have been possible without you guys. Thank you for all the support. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. I'm gonna be using these, of course. I think I received these on Tuesday. I don't know, today's a Friday. I don't know, guys, when you'll be seeing this vlog, but I received this within last week, and you are so nice. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. I'm very gagged by the way how people love my content, and by the way how people do love my personality in general. I got 4 books, or I received 4 books. I've already used 1. I'm gonna be giving out 2, yes, so that I can just remain with 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.